On the way forward.
Mutongoria wa mung'ethaniro Raila Odinga Icera-ini riake bururi-ini wa Amerika nimukanetie ati thengia wa NASA gucukira kamiti ya IEBC kwaga uigiririki wa gutabania githurano kiria kiriga gutiriho thirikari ya Jubilee irongoreirie wathani wa kuigia uterwo.
Let me be blunt. Kenya is hurtling towards an outright dictatorship. The Jubilee government has ridden roughshod over or looted every institution that they could in order to achieve their goal of long-term control of the state, or at least till their self-declared goal of ruling till at least 2032.
Odinga oho akiuga mabarothi ya mabũrũri ma rũraya gũkũ Kenya matikoretwo makĩigĩrĩrĩka kũhukia ndũgamano ĩrĩa ĩrĩho. Mĩario ta ĩrĩa yakorirwo ĩkĩrutwo nĩ Senator wa Siaya James Orengo akĩagithia kĩene itemi rĩa mabarothi.
Other great setbacks for Kenya in the current crisis has been the disappointing role of our partners who are with us in the decisive struggle for multi-party democracy in the early 1990s. They also intervened with a lightning speed during our catastrophe a decade ago, when mass violence erupted after the tainted 2007 elections. Kenya matters, or at least it did then. In this crisis, though, the US and other pro-democracy friends chose to avert their gaze from the unfolding electoral lawlessness and continued against all the evidence to support a deeply tainted electoral process.
Odinga rigo akiuga murugamo wa munethero ni githurano kingi kiria ugite megutigira ni giakinyanira makihuthira mbunge cia muingi mirurungano ona kugomera motungata ma makambuni kwaga ugwo thayo wa gikaimana.
And those instruments include peaceful demonstrations, includes strikes, includes picketing, includes boycotts, include petitioning, and so on.
No mwenene wake mwaria wa thirikari Icera-ini ni agithitie kienerendekithia ria NASA ria mbunge cia muingi akiuga bururi ndwihariririe guthoga gatiba ni undu wa mundu kiumbe.
A constitution which is barely 10 years old, what we are hearing now is that the demands of secession, the demands of resisting enterprises which have taken a lot of government policy direction to grow, issues of suspending the constitution, all these issues are not likely to create a better life for Kenyans.
Kugina kwa bunge ya kiama kia Wiper ni matirire mutongoria wao Kalonzo Musyoka ureta koretwo akiyumiria muingi-ini makiuga ari ngwataniro ya NASA na ndari na itanya ria guthama.
As members of Wiper are resisting parliament, you are aware. We are resisting other products, Bidco, Brookside and others. To this end, we have informed our people to seek alternative products from Kenyan-friendly companies. We offer our total support to our leaders, Right Honorable Raila Odinga and His Excellency Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka. And as NASA, we repeat, we are inseparable.
Muthenya wa ira abunge hau kabere kuma rũrĩrĩ rwa Ikamba mũgitongoria nũrĩa warĩ mũmbunge wa mũingĩ ya gatagati John Mutambo marokire ikinya rĩa NASA rĩa kwaga ũtonga wa bũrũri na ũhũkũria Kalonzo Musyoka eheranie na NASA makiuga gũthondekwo kwa NRM nĩ kĩonereria arorete kwa mũkwo. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, nĩ njĩtagwo Mwaura wa Ndung'u.